Let us say you would like to use a specific application only for 1 hour every day. Then you have this option to control and have more time for other things in your life. Click on screen time. Here you have apps and website activity. Turn on this. Here you have app limits, and then click on add limit. All apps and categories. You can select a very specific category, social, and then for example only social. You want to use, for example, messages, and for let us say 1 minute, and then you can customize it for every day differently. Monday 1 minute, Tuesday 10 minutes. So you have this option to customize it for every day. So the time 1 minute for every day. Perfect. It appears now here. Messages 1 minute every day, and let us see how it looks like. We are going to use the messages app for 1 minute. Okay, click on OK, click on allow, and now it is open. After 1 minute we expect it that it stops working, that it closes automatically. Now you see, now it says time limit. You have reached your limit on messages. You can ignore limit, which is a very bad option. If you ignore, it is like, why would you set limit in the first place? So click on OK. Now this messages application is grayed out. If I click, it says time limit. Okay. So this gives you more control over the usage of your phone, so that you don't waste your golden time on things that are not important. That's it guys, I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. We have published many helpful, useful courses, tutorials that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your everyday life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have beautiful times.